Miami and gray, Port Clyde at 38 degrees right now. This is Keyser Lake in Lovell, and notice how there may be a little fog here. If you're around a lake that's melting or some of the mountains where there's snow that's melting, there can be some areas of fog out there this evening. Temps are mainly in the 30s, 37 from Lewiston to Bangor. Caribou is at 30, and the air is colder up here, obviously, and that means there will be more of a wintry mix and even some snow up over the crown of Maine tonight. Not much out there now. Could be a little flurry or some drizzle going through northern Hancock and Washington counties. Backdoor front made it all the way to Boston today, but it's still near 80 in Connecticut. And along this boundary, there are some waves of precipitation and even some thunderstorms right now in upstate New York. And all of that's going to come east overnight tonight. So through the evening hours, I think we start out dry, but showers come in from the west around 8 or 9 o'clock. And there may be the rumble of thunder in some of these showers tonight, just given they're coming from that warm air in New York and in southern New England. In northern Maine, there will be a little mix, a wintry mix of some sleet and freezing rain and some snow across the far north, but to the south, temperatures will be sufficiently warm enough that this is just rain. Most of this falls during the middle of the night, and by 6 o'clock in the morning, showers moving out of eastern Maine, already dry in southern and western Maine at that point tomorrow morning. Here's the snowfall tonight. Could be several inches from Caribou northward. As far as any icing concerns go, it looks a little less to me than it did yesterday as far south as the foothills, but it's more likely Route 2 northward. You could get a little glaze of ice, and there may be some slick spots first thing in the morning. But temperatures tomorrow should go up a little bit more than they did today. I don't expect much sunshine. It'll be mostly cloudy. Much of the daytime should be dry, though. The showers and the rain mainly overnight tonight. There is an opportunity for southwestern Maine and New Hampshire to get into a little sun, and it may be a little bit warmer near the border here, but the rest of the state locked in cloud cover and the chilly air through the day tomorrow. We may pop to about 50 from Lewiston southward, but the best chance to get into the middle 50s will be in York County and 60 in southern New Hampshire. 40s more common through central Maine than only in the 30s in northern Maine coming up tomorrow. Then on Thursday, this area of high pressure builds in a little bit. It looks to me now that most of Thursday is likely dry. There might be a little drizzle in spots tomorrow night or first thing Thursday morning, but the next wave of precipitation doesn't really come in until late Thursday and Thursday night. And again, it will be colder in northern Maine, so a little wintry mix possible there overnight into Friday morning. Amounts don't look all that significant. And to the south, just some rain showers overnight Thursday night into Friday morning. Friday afternoon looks somewhat drier. Saturday likely the driest day of the weekend. And then on Easter Sunday, another frontal system comes in from the west, but this one goes to our northwest. So it should be predominantly rain showers that we have around on Sunday. There might be 2 rounds, a little light rain in the morning, and then later in the afternoon into the evening, more widespread showers. Seas 3 to 6 feet tomorrow with a 10 to 15 knot wind on the water. So a few showers early tomorrow morning, but I think much of the daytime hours of tomorrow will be dry. Most are in the 40s, but York County could get into the 50s tomorrow. A light mix possible tomorrow night, mainly up north. And then Friday, some morning showers, but drier in the afternoon. Saturday looks like the drier day of the weekend, and then scattered showers on Easter Sunday, a few in the morning, more likely late day. I know you may not want to hear this, guys, but I took a peek toward the middle of next week. I don't see anything all that warm. It doesn't look as wet as this week is.
Okay.
It's unsettled, but it does look like we'll be on the cool side next week.
I see you trying to soften the blow.
Right.
Nice job.
Oh, that's a nice way
Right.
to.
Hey, I
just
tried.
thought he wanted to bring us down more.
He's doing plenty of that today.
I'll work on it for the next
All
half
right.
hour.
Thanks, Ray.